How to change the time font on your iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your time font on your iPhone 14. So for those of you wondering what the time font is, it is simply the font in which your time shows up on your lock screen. So if you want to change this, what you'll have to do is simply, first of all, open your phone, and once you're on the lock screen, all you have to do is simply long press on it until it says unlock to edit. Now you'll have to simply unlock your phone. Now you can use your passcode or your Face ID to unlock your phone. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the home page. So if you are only taken to your home page, you'll have to do it the other way. So simply drop down your notification and then long press on it. After that, tap on the option customize, and then it will provide you two different options. You can either customize your lock screen or you can customize your home screen. So since we are here to customize our time font, we'll simply tap on the option lock screen and then tap on the option time. Now it will provide you various fonts over here, so you can simply choose any one of these 8 fonts you'd like to be your time. So this was the one default, and now you will be able to choose any one of these. So for now, I'll simply choose this, and if you want, you can also change the color. Now choose whichever one you'd like, and once you find the one you like, simply cross this and then tap on the option done on the top right corner. Now back out, and now let me show you, and there you have it. So as you can see, the time font has been successfully changed on our iPhone 14. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.